Hey Alex, why are we in a different location?
Today is National Microwave Day.
So what do we do on a National Microwave Day?
You can do your cooking or meals with a microwave today.
Okay, so what are you cooking in the microwave oven?
Some yummy noodles.
Can I have some of the noodles too? Pretty please?
Of course, it's really yummy. Just like cook it in a microwave.
Okay, how about the fortune cookie for today?
Don't worry, I did not forget the fortune cookie. Here it is.
Oh, okay. So then, let's open the fortune cookie for today. Say your end phrase after the fortune. And here's your fortune. Your financial outlook is great at this time. Ooh, congratulations to you. And your lucky numbers are 11, 20, 32, 36, 43, and 44.
That was your fortune cookie from me beside the microwave oven.
Yeah, Alex beside the microwave oven. Anyway, that was your fortune cookie for today. Thanks for watching.